In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a competitor to vidiq account. So first of all, you need to log in here with Gmail. So this link I already in description. You can find in my first paragraph on my video description below. So first of all, you need to log in here. Then you can see this option on competitor. So just click on here. You can see here is on competitor already added. So now click on your targeted competitor channel name. This is example only. So I type a YouTube channel name. So this is my competitor YouTube channel. You can see already added on this account. So this is a very easy process. I hope you are doing successfully this work. So if you want more videos to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed this channel and like this video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.